What's up everybody, JD here with VMP Performance, and today I've got Scott's beautiful blue 2018 Mustang GT here. Currently it has a Roush 2650 Supercharger and it's come in to get our all new VMP Gen 6 3-liter Stage 3 Supercharger kit for the 18 and up Mustang GT. So we're going to take the car, get it up on the dyno and grab a baseline number and see what this thing's got. So the car's off the dyno and in the shop, and it made a little bit over 660 real world horsepower. A great number for this 2650 kit, but it's never enough. So we're gonna go ahead and get started getting the VMP Gen 6 3-liter kit on it, and then we'll throw it back up on the dyno. Before we reveal the Gen 6 numbers to you, I want to talk a little bit about what's so special about the Gen 6 Supercharger kit as we've migrated it down from the 24 Mustang GT and Dark Horse kits to fit 15 to 23 Mustang GT. First and foremost, we migrated down the round inlet and throttle body. We're running in the Stage 3 version of this kit for 15 to 23. We're running the 112 millimeter throttle body. It's a fantastic throttle body. Drives awesome. I've been driving one for probably 10 or 12,000 miles on my personal car. Put in a clip of me doing something dumb in my car, Austin. It also features Whipple's Gen 6 rotor-set, which is incredible. It's so efficient. You know, one of the things we're seeing in all this testing that we're doing in comparison to our previous generation stuff, and even just on various platforms, is that they take less power to drive. That's a simple way to say that, you know, the less horsepower it costs to spin the blower, the more horsepower makes it out to the rear wheels. So it equals a really good time. And there's just a ton of technology like the intercooler system. The whole lid is an intercooler. It's a twin pass intercooler, you know, goes through it 2 times versus previous generations like the intercooler on this Roush blower that we're comparing to right now by proxy, because that's the upgrade path Scott's on. That intercooler is like 4 or 5 inches wide versus the whole lid on the Gen 6. Just makes a big difference. So those things add up to make for a really efficient, really fun, really reliable car to drive. I mean, I know Scott's going to be stoked with this thing. And you know, when I say fun to drive, I mean, I can sit here and bop it down a couple gears and that's like half throttle. All right, I ain't trying to get picked up by FHP today. You know, that was absolutely within the legal speed limit. Scott, you'll figure out what this thing's capable of, but it sounds good, it runs good, and you're about to see what the dyno results we're gonna throw up on the screen. Makes great power. So there you have it. With the VMP Gen 6 3-liter Stage 3 kit, this car made 760 real world horsepower, a fantastic number, and 98 horsepower above its previous configuration. If you're interested in a kit like this for your ride, give us a call at 321-206-9369, email us at sales@vmpperformance.com, or visit vmpperformance.com. For more content like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.